Hi there. Close your eyes for a second and imagine typing or saying your idea, then watching AI build it, live before your eyes. Welcome to Kleva AI, the world's first AI super engineer that turns any idea or prompt into fully functional websites in any language in seconds. Build websites, stores, portfolios, landing pages, blogs, funnels, everything simply by chatting with AI. No coding, no templates dragging, no monthly fees, no hosting bills, no limits. Let's begin. Click on Projects, Create New Project. Here you can type your idea or use your voice, like Siri on steroids. Let's say, create a professional weight loss sales page. Boom! Kleva AI instantly starts building it. Or pick from these sample prompts below. Maybe a prompt to build an e-commerce store, Netflix clone, portfolio, sales page, e-learning platform, or real estate site, all just one command away. Let's try this prompt. Build a modern online learning platform like Udemy or Coursera. And there it goes, Kleva AI working in real time, writing your code, styling your layout, and deploying it live. Done. Your website coded, designed, and deployed in seconds. Here's the full production-ready code. And here's the live preview of your website. Wow, just wow! This is stunning! In one blink, your business, your idea comes alive. And it doesn't stop there. You can reprompt, tweak, and redesign any part or section instantly. Let's try it. Change the overall website color to orange and make the text blend perfectly. Done. That's not fantasy, that's Kleva AI. Your ideas, your words, the web obeys. You can preview full screen, export instantly to your server, or publish right here. No setup, no hosting cost. And it's lightning fast. Every site loads at the speed of light. Let's try another prompt. Create a high-converting sales page for my Omni Fat Burner weight loss product. Boom! Done! Your site's ready and deployed. Magical, right? You're not the only one saying that. Everyone's blown away. Because Kleva AI doesn't just code and design, it also writes your content too. And you can still reprompt and customize every element anytime. Let's tweak this. Add a YouTube video placeholder using this link. Change the hero text to Omni Fat Burner, your #1 weight loss product, and replace the hero image with the image I just uploaded. Done. As you can see, that is perfect, fast, effortless. Let's go even bigger. Input your prompt. Build a luxury modern e-commerce website for wristwatches, fashion, shoes, bags, and accessories with editorial-style grids, hover zoom effects, size and color filters, and automatic discount highlights. Make it elegant and conversion-focused. Wow, unreal! A full-blown e-commerce site with products, images, content, layout, all done from one prompt. No coding, no hosting, no API costs. Just pure creation. Oh, and by the way, you can even legally clone any existing website, Facebook, Amazon, Instagram, Netflix, you name it. Let's try cloning Netflix. Input the prompt, click Generate, and watch the magic. Boom, done. An exact lookalike built in seconds simply by chatting with AI. What more could you ask for? And here's something even cooler. Kleva AI speaks every major language on Earth, meaning you can quickly launch your idea and sell it to the global market. Let's try to create a real estate website in French. Créez un site web de présentation immobilière interfact et cinématographique avec des galeries plein écran, des époques 3D et des profils de agents. Voila! Magnifique! The entire layout and content appear in French. Every color, font, and animation feels handcrafted because Kleva AI doesn't use templates. It builds living designs, fresh, unique, and premium every single time based on your prompt. When you're done, hit publish. All your projects appear right here where you can edit, preview, copy, or share your live site link. You own 100% of everything you create to host, sell, or export however you want. If Kleva AI doesn't blow your mind, nothing else will. This is truly the first of its kind. Here's where it gets even better. Kleva AI comes with a built-in marketplace, your personal digital showroom where you can build, clone, and sell infinite websites and keep 100% of the profits. Start your agency, create for clients, sell your AI-made masterpieces. It's all inside. Whatever you need: websites, stores, portfolios, funnels, blogs, portfolio, pages, and more. In any language, any style. Kleva builds it instantly. Just type or talk your idea and watch the magic unfold. And remember, no coding, no templates, no subscriptions, no API costs, no hosting fees, no limits. Thanks for watching. See you inside Kleva AI, where your ideas become reality.